Well, I wish this was a positive video about Annie, but last night we had the scare of a lifetime. My son came over to watch the game last night, and the wind was blowing outside, and doors were opening and closing in the house from the wind, and Chewy was outside, and as soon as I let Chewy in, Annie got out and escaped and ran all the way down the street. I chased her probably about 150 yards from the main road, and I caught her right before she got onto the main road. A full sprint. I had to go down the street to get her, screaming her name. I thought I was going to see her get hit, so it's been very stressful. It's so hard to keep her still and for 24/7. I'm glad she's not limping. These first 2 months are the most crucial part of the surgery, where anything could go wrong. So I don't know, she could have fractures from that. I don't know, and I won't know until her x-rays in July. So a lot more crate time. She's walking fine. I am just emotionally drained from this. It's only been 2 weeks, and I have another month and a half of this. So I'm trying to stay positive, but this is so hard, because she feels like she can run and she just doesn't know. And it's with her, she's trying to hop around. It's just, oh my God, I'm on my wits end here, but just trying to stay positive, and I just got to keep her in the crate more. As bad as that sucks for her, it's the only way I'm gonna get through this. I just hope everything's okay, because that was such a scare. Such a scare last night. Oh, bub. Chewy was chasing me down the road as I was chasing her. Oh my God. The neighbors had a show yesterday. They must have like, who the hell is screaming outside? I'm screaming down the road, yelling. Oh, he's in shed mode. Oh boy. But yeah, that's it. That's the story. Definitely the worst day. The worst day yesterday. So we're trying, right, Annie?